There's so many people, so I'm gonna have to talk really loud. Hey. Well, Halito. Halito. Achemachuma. Amachuma. Or someone say Chishnato. Amachuma. So it's been 2 weeks since we last met, but I'm glad you guys are still here. It's a good thing that you guys came back. So today we're going to try to finish off our command words, and then we're going to learn something new today, which a lot of you probably already know. So, but first, before we get into it, like we do every week, I got a new phrase up here. So the phrase is "Akachapisona upakitaha." Akachapisona upakitaha. Anybody besides these three know what I'm saying? And probably Twilight too. Long time, I heard that, yeah. So let's just try to break it down just a little bit. So off here, it means I. But like you only use this when you say like, let me do something, or if it's in a negative form. Who's heard the phrase, apikano? Apikano. That's saying I don't know. So I, and then hachi, what's that mean? You all. So hachi. Piso. Does anybody know piso? To see. Well, yeah, that comes from to see, which is pisa, but now it's piso. So if ikana means to know, and then when we say apikano, that means I don't know. So pisa means to see. What does piso mean? Don't see. Don't see. So akachapiso, I don't see you all. But that's not what it is. That's what I'm trying to say. So na here is just a time marker. Time marker. So na. And it always goes at the end of your sentence. But then after the time marker, you got the time. So upakitaha. Anybody know what that means? Upaki means long time or far away. So either far away or a long time. And when you add with the taha, it kind of overextends it a little bit. So there's a long time plus some kind of. So really what I'm saying is, akachapi so na upakitaha. I haven't seen you all in a long time. I haven't seen you all in a long time. So akachapi so na upakitaha. Everybody okay with that? Let's try to say that. Akachapisona. So say that for me. Akachapisona. Alright, let's do it one at a time. Akachapisona. Upakitaha. Alright. Pisona upakitaha. Akachapisona upakitaha. There you go, yeah, there we go. Now I can say So drag it out because maybe you haven't seen him in a long time. So you want to emphasize it's been a long time. So if I haven't seen you in years, I can probably say, Apachakisona, or Bakitaha. You know, you can drag it out.
So that can be singular too for one person, or would you say she? No, it's not.
Or for like one person, like,
Yeah.
I haven't seen you in a long time.
Yes.
Yeah, so you just take off this, you say, Apachakisona, or Bakitaha. I haven't seen you in a long time. I haven't seen you in a long time. Actually, Apachakisona, or Bakitaha. I haven't seen you in a long time. But yeah, so I'm using this because it's been 2 weeks, and Apachakisona, or Bakitaha. I haven't seen you guys in a while, or I haven't seen you guys in a long time. All right, well, hope you guys can get that to memory. So we're going to try to go over these command words again because I want you guys to remember these. We're going to go over the ones that we went over really quick because we went into depth with them last time. So first one we had was Ipa and Apa. So what is Ipa? To eat, but general, right? General. And then Apa. What is Apa? To eat something specific when you're naming your item. So is it right to say spaghetti Ipali, or is it right to say spaghetti Apali? Apali. Don't say Ipali unless you're just eating in general. You see what I mean by general? You don't name your item that you're eating when you're using Ipa. When you use it, when you use Apa. So Kilipa, what is that? Let's eat. Yeah, let's do it right now. We don't have enough food. What about if I just said Ipa? It means eat. What about Apa? Eat it. Yeah. You want to add that it. Eat it. So Apa. And Ipachi. Time to eat. Ipachi. All right. Went over that one last time. Then went over. Anupule. So what is anupule? To talk or to speak. Yeah. So everybody say anupule. Remember, it's you, it's not who. It's full. It can be used for that too, but most of the time it's just sing or song. So if I said taloa, what am I saying? Sing, yeah, or sing it. So taloa. About ki taloa. Let's sing. Ki taloa. Alright, chapta ki taloa. Sing chapta, yeah. Alright, so taloa. Say it. Taloa. 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 Achuma. Alright. Next one is upload. So say it. Upload. Upload. Achuma. So what does this mean? Listen. Alright, so if I just said upload, what am I saying? Upload, yeah, listen. I have something to say.
Does it mean here too?
No. That's what you do. Upload. Hey. Alright, so what about full upload? Everybody listen, yeah. Everybody listen. So full upload. So if the preacher man gets up there and I don't know, he slams on the what do you call it? Pulpit. Yeah, I almost said pedestal. If he slams on the pulpit, you might say, full upload. Full upload. It means everybody listen. Not just the elderly, or not just the young adults, but everybody. So again, I'll say it. Upload. Upload. Achuma. All right. And everybody's favorite. Issa. So say it with me. Issa. Oh, there you go. That's how you're supposed to say it. Issa. Yeah. So what does that mean? Stop or quit it. So if you got a child that's like pestering you or something like that, say Issa. All right. So what is ibat Issa? Quit eating. You're getting too fat. Or maybe you're supposed to wait till the other people get here so they can have some. So ibat Issa. All right, what about anong kulit isa? Stop talking. So say anong kulit isa? Homemade. Anong kulit isalachi? Hey, I'll stop talking. All right, what about isa? Yeah. What I say? So let's say that. Achuma. So what is Issa? All right, let's say it. Issa. Achuma. All right, I think this is, I think we got to this part right here. Achi and Makachi, did we go over that? Okay, let's breeze through it then. Achi and Makachi. All right, let's say this one. Achi. All right, now this one. Makachi. So what do these mean? Say it, yeah. Achi. Say it, yeah. So achi, 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 achi. All right. So what if I say makachi? Say it or say that. Say that. So makachi, makachi, makachi. There. So what am I saying right there? Say that. All right, and then anoti makachi. Say that again. So say anoti makachi. Anoti makachi. Anoti makachi. All right, you're telling me to say it again. So anoti makachi. It's the logic, okay? All right, so, achi. Okay, so say achi. Makachi. Anoti makachi. Come on. Did we go over this one too? We'll see. Feel, okay. So no see is our favorite pastime. Our favorite right now time too. So no see means sleep. Sleep. It looks like somebody wants to no see right now. Yawning over there. Hey. So no see. So let's say it. No see. No see. Chuma. Remember, it's not new seed. It's no seed. So say that really slow. No seed. All right. Now don't say new seed from here on out. All right. Okay. So we got no seed. The next phrase we have. Right down here. No sitia. No sitia. So try to say that. No sitia. No sitia. So what does that mean? Go to sleep. Or go to sleep. Yeah. I like to say go to sleep. I don't know why I like to say that. Take that two out. But I guess it's because of that. Hey. So no sitia. So when you say it like this, it's almost like you're saying it like that. No sitia. No sitia. So try to say it like that. No sitia. No sitia. There you go. But that's not how we write it. So. All right, and then the last one we'll see is all right, like this. Yeah. No sit kilia. Yeah, that's what it is. So what is no sit kilia? Let's go to sleep. All right, everybody get your pillows. No sit kilia. I don't know why I wrote like that. I just didn't. I put it right there in the middle, and then I have nothing. But remember, let me just go ahead and write it right here. No sit, because I do want to go over this. All right. Remember what I said about two verbs, right? You guys remember? Yeah, two verbs put together. What do?
Put a T on the end first.
Put a T at the end of the first. So you remember that this word is nosi. Nosi. We have nosi, which is a verb. And you have ia, which is a verb. And so anytime you have two verbs together in the same sentence, the first one always gets a T, just to help it with the flow sit kilia. No sit kilia. Alright, so go ahead and say it. No sit kilia.
No sit kilia.
Chuma, chuma. Alright, so what is no sit? Alright, no sit ya. Go sleep. Yeah, go to sleep. No sit kilia. Let's go to sleep. Alright. We might practice this one here. This is, I think this is the new one, because I do kind of remember going over that one last time. Alright. So how do we pronounce this one? Yeah, it's not okay yet. Remember the A always makes the ah sound. So wa ka ya. Wa ka ya. So when you say it, wakaya. He already did it. He already did it. So wakaya. Go ahead, say it after me. Wakaya. 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 What does that mean? Stand up. Stand up. And so, if you have your notes, and I know I print out the little ones for y'all, and it's hard to see, but it says from a sitting position. So you can only use wakaya if people are sitting. If people are laying down, you can't use wakaya. We have a different word for that, which is tani. Tani means to get up from a sleeping position, from a laying position. So wakaya is only for the sitting position. So you guys are all sitting right now. If I say wakaya, that means stand up, stand up. Okay? Or rise, as they say. Okay? The next one I have here is Bukaya. So what does that mean? It means everybody stand up. Remember this full refers to everybody. Full refers to everybody. So if we had, if I was just talking to this group right here, I would just say, Bukaya. Bukaya. But if we had this place packed, and then I wanted everybody to stand up, then I would say, Bukaya. Everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. So Bull refers to everybody. But you can just use Bukaya for a small group. Or just one person. It don't matter. If I say, Bukaya, I'm talking to you. So stand up. Hey. Bukaya. But is this from a laying position or a sitting position? Sitting position. Okay, okay. We'll try that. Hope you guys remember that. So, Bukaya. Say it one more time. Bukaya. 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 Come on. All right. So this is the root word. I have it both on there. So this is what you would find in the dictionary. means give it to him. So you can use it for him or her. Now, the reason I put this here is because what did I just say? Was. Me. So if I say, Ama, give it to me. Give it to me. Yeah. Ama. Ama. So a lot of times speakers will add a little something, and I'm gonna do this cool thing right here. And then we'll add eat. So how do you say that? Eat. Eat. Like you're eating food. Eat. It's not it or et. It's eat. Eat. Who's ever heard Chocolate Ham 53? That song. So in the beginning, it has, I'll just sing it for you. Chito kaka mashiha sobesha. Give it to me. Yeah, give it to me. So in that song, it's saying, things that are requested of you, please give unto me. That's what it's saying. Anyways, not for that choir lesson. But Ama, let's say it. Ama. 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 Ama means give it to me. But does eat, does anybody remember what the eat means? It just means in my direction. So it only works for the speaker, the one that's talking. So if I say eat the ma, that means hand it to me this way. If I say pick the ma, you would have to go like this. Like if I had this paper, you say pick the ma, I'll go, here you go. But if you say eat the ma, I can turn around towards you and give it to you. That's what it's talking about, in my direction, in the direction of the speaker. Alright? So let's say it. Ima. 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 Alright, now eat the ma. 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 So what does ima mean? To give or to give it to her or give it to him. What does ama mean?
Give it to me.
Eat the ma. Give it to me in my direction. Yeah. Well, most of the time people would just say eat the ma. So if I went up to you and I said, Tihuliso, eat the ma. Yeah, you would have to give me your paper. Alright, so this one's a useful one. This one's a useful one, especially if you have kids. And they have a toy or something they're not supposed to play with. You say, eat the ma. Eat the ma. But you can use it in a commanding way. Eat the ma. Give it to me. If they got a knife or something, they're not supposed to play with that. Like, eat the ma. Give it to me. But also, we always say this one too. Ima. It's like, you got someone's phone or something like that, and they're just like, play on my phone. It's like, Ima. Ima. Give it to him. Give it to her or something like that. So, Ima. 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 Eat the ma. Eat the ma. Eat the ma. Alright. What does that mean? Ima? Give it to him or her. What about eat the ma? Give it to me. Hey. Your attention. Eat the ma. Hey. Alright, and the last one we have is kissa. Pissa. So say it. Pissa. 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 Hey, it worked. I'll say pissa. Hey. That means to what? To look. Yeah, if I say it like pissa, it means look. Look. Alright, and so if I say Onki pissa. Onki pissa. So what does that mean? Let's go and see. So this ont here means to go and. It's like it's unfinished if you just use it by yourself. Ont. It's like you always gotta say it like that because there's something else that needs to be there. And so ont means to go and. What does he mean? Let us or let's. And then pissa. See. So when we say ont ki pissa, what am I saying? Let's go see. So if there's like, I don't know, a carnival over there or something like that, we'll say ont ki pissa. Let's go and see it. Or let's go check it out. You can say it for that too. Let's go and check it out. And when you go check something out, what are you doing? You're looking at it. So ont ki pissa. So let's say that. Pissa. Now say it. Pissa. Okay. Ont ki pissa. Ont ki pissa. Come on. This one's a funny one too, because like, you know, if you have a family member or if you have, I don't know, you see something crazy, you can say, pissa. Like if you see like your family member and they're all dressed weird or something like that, and they're walking like this or something like that, pissa. And that's like saying like, look at him, like, look at him, you know, it's like pissa. So you can use it for that too. So I always thought that was funny because when I see something funny on my phone or I want to show somebody something like a funny video, I go pissa. I'll say take a funny picture or something like that. Pissa. Look at them. Look at him or something like that. So you can use it for that too. But if I say pissa, what am I saying? Look. Pissa. Eat pissa. So what am I saying? Eat pissa.
Oh, look at me.
Look at me, yeah, look at me. Even though I don't say sapisa, when I say eat pissa, I'm the speaker that's talking. So when I say eat, everybody knows it's in my direction. So eat pissa. Now if I said hit pissa, hit pissa, that means look that way. Look away from you. Anyways, we don't have to worry about that. So we'll say pissa. There you go. All right. So we went through all command words. And so right now, I'm going to introduce you a new word, new verb at least. A lot of you probably know this word. Bʋnna. So go ahead and say it. Bʋnna. bun. That's how you would say it. Bun. But remember, we have two consonants here. So you gotta drag it out a little bit, or you gotta say both. Bun-na. It's not bana. Because I hear a lot of people say that. They'll say, not that chibana. It's not chibana, it's chibana. Chibana. So let's try to say that again. Bana. Bana. So hold out this in just a little bit. Bana. Bana. There you go, yeah. So that means to want. To want. But I'm going to teach you guys something that you can start using today. As soon as you get done with this class, or even during this class. So, how do we say that? Sa. Sa. So now I'll say it. Sabana. 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 So now what does that mean? I want. I want. Yeah. So now you guys have a full sentence you can say. So if you want, let's just use English for example for right now. So if you want a Dr. Pepper, you can say, Dr. Pepper, Savannah. So let's say it. Dr. Pepper, Savannah.
Dr. Pepper, Savannah.
Coffee, Savannah.
Coffee, Savannah.
Whataburger, Savannah.
Whataburger.
All right. So anything. I like this. I found this out. All right. So anything that you want, you can just place it right there. So if you don't know how to say it in Choctaw, just say it in English. You can say ice, Savannah, chair, Savannah, hat, Savannah. We'll learn these words eventually, but if you don't know, this is what I'm trying to encourage you guys to do, is just say this, Savannah. Even if you don't know the Choctaw word that you want, just say Savannah. Because a lot of times, I'll teach this, and a lot of people will be like, oh, I don't know how to say that in Choctaw. I was like, well, you know how to say I want, right? They're like, yeah. So just say that. Just say that. That's all it takes. All you have to do is just say something that you know. If you don't know the Choctaw, just say what you know in Choctaw. All right? And so, why did I teach you guys this after command words? Does anybody know? Because you can insert your command words right here. So if I wanted to say, I want to see, how would you say that? This Savannah. Yeah, there you go. You can put an object right here, or you can put a verb right there. So, Pissa Savannah. So if someone's like, hey, I got this funny video. Do you want to see it? And I'll say, Pissa Savannah. Pissa Savannah. I want to see it. So let's say that. Pissa Savannah.
Pissa Savannah.
Pissa Savannah.
Pissa Savannah.
Yeah. So how would you say, I want to speak? Anupuli Savannah. So let's say that. Anupuli Savannah. Anupuli Savannah. Anupuli Savannah. Achuma. So how would you say, I want to eat? Iba Savannah. Achuma. What about, I want to sleep? No see Savannah. Yeah. What about, I want to quit? Issa Savannah. I hope you guys never have to say it. So you can also say something like, how would you say, I want to quit eating? This one's a little tough. Ipat Issa Savannah. Ipat Issa Savannah. Which nobody really says that. So. How would you police Bʋnna. Okay? How would you say, I want to speak Choctaw? Alright, ready to say it again? I heard a bunch of stuff. Yeah, you can say that. You can say Chatta anu police Bʋnna. Chatta anu police Bʋnna. Or you can say Chatta anupa anu police Bʋnna. I want to speak the Choctaw language. So either way, I want to speak Choctaw, Chatta anu police Bʋnna. Or I want to speak the Choctaw language, Chatta anupa anu police Bʋnna. So you see how like you can just add things on, add more things on. So how would you say I want to eat it? Apa sabana. Apa sabana. Remember, because ipa means to eat. I want to eat in general, but if I see a piece of cake, I'll say apa sabana. Apa sabana. So how would you say I want to eat a hamburger? Yeah. Hamburger apa sabana. Hamburger apa sabana. Alright. And then let's see, we have about 15, 17 minutes. So we learned sabana. So let's say it again. Sabana. 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 I will have to say that there are some speakers that contract this. And so instead of saying sabana, they might just say sanna. 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 A lot of Mississippi speakers will say this, but also people from our Franklin County, they'll always say it this way too, Sanna. But just remember, this comes from Sabana. So all they did was just take out the B. Instead of saying Sabana, they just say Sanna, which in reality, not cutting any corners. But anyways, that's how they say it. And if anybody like, there's no problem saying that either. I'm not trying to say that this is the right way or this is the wrong way or whatever. Some people will say it like that, and other people will say it Sanna. So y'all be quiet. You put it aside. What did I just say? You put it aside. Quit laughing, yeah. We're trying to learn. Alright, so if you want to say Sabana, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. If you want to say Sabana, that's fine too. I grew up hearing Sabana my whole life. I heard Sabana, 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 Sabana. So, me personally, I will always say Sabana. Alright? So that's I want. So how do we say you want? Bʋnna, yeah. So, likewise, you can do the same thing. So how do you, a lot of times when you use Bʋnna, you're usually asking a question like, Bʋnna. So what am I asking? Bʋnna. So, I know anytime we practice questions in a school setting or in a class or something like that, people have a tendency to say, Bʋnna. But you hear, that's more of a statement. So you gotta say, Bʋnna. You have to say it like a question. Don't practice it like you're saying, Bʋnna. Because then you're going to start saying it. Bʋnna. So let me ask you guys this. I'm going to use hachi because that's what you are. Tata anopa anopuli hachi Bʋnna. You can say, ah. Or you can say, So let me ask again. Chata anupa anupali hachiwana. Achuma. Anuakya. Chata anupa anupali samana. Me too. I also want to speak the Choctaw language. So what I want you guys to get out of this is that the command words we just learned, that we just kind of went over, you can use those where those blanks are. So anything that you want, just put it in front and then say Bʋnna. So Dr. Pepper, Bʋnna. I know I keep saying that because it's my favorite drink. Red Bull, Bʋnna. Cake, Bʋnna. Chuka iya Bʋnna. So what does that mean? I want to go home. Because chuka can mean house or it could mean home. And then iya, it means to go. As far as I have that. Iya. So chuka iya Bʋnna, I want to go home. So I'll ask this. Chuka iya hachiwana. Kyo. I hear kyo. Alright. So does anybody have any questions up at this point?
They said Pepsi Chihuahua.
Anato Pepsi nice.
Pepsi.
Yeah, remember to elongate those ends. Bʋnna. Chihuahua. Oh, so what if I ask you guys this? Nata Chihuahua. What do you want? Nata Chihuahua. Nata means what? It means what, guys? So if I said Nata Chihuahua, can you tell me something you want?
Yes. When we say hachapisa lachki, is it hachapisa lachki or hachapi or
Hachapisa lachki.
oh the e?
Yeah.
Okay. E. Okay.
Yeah. So, Yamago,
You say
Nogata,
or pisa.
so Hachapisa lachki.
Pisa.
Yeah. So, is that what you want?
Yeah.
You can say, I want to say Hachapisa lachki. Yeah, you can say that. So, Nata Chihuahua.
Right now it's to be able to walk better.
Oh, okay. Okay. So,
I walk around.
okay, so how would you say I want my water?
Water,
Bʋnna, yeah, there you go, yeah. Water, Bʋnna, chuma, nata Bʋnna.
The day off, son.
Oh, okay. You said a day off, Bʋnna, yeah. Anuakya. Day off, Bʋnna, okay. Alright, wala nata Bʋnna. Coffee Bʋnna, umi. So she wants coffee. Nata Bʋnna.
McDonald's is Savannah.
McDonald's Bʋnna, umi. Just nata Bʋnna. say anything, just say it in English.
That's good.
Doctor say it and then say Sabana.
Bʋnna.
There you go. So now say, I want Dr. Pepper.
That's Bʋnna.
There you go. Yeah. Dr. Pepper Bʋnna. All right. Sarah, not that you Bʋnna. Oh, it's fun. No walk, yeah. No see Sabana. All right. Jishnato, not that you Bʋnna. Ah, yeah. She said Scully Sabana. Scully means money. Not no walk, yeah. Scully Sabana. All right. Jishnato, not that you Bʋnna.
Nippy Savannah.
Ah.
Nippy.
Oh, nippy Bʋnna. I mean, nippy means meat. Meat. So he wants meat. All right. Not that you Bʋnna.
I want to say this wrong, but Okanka, Alawasha, Sabana.
Okay, yeah. That was good. That was good. They said Akanka Alwasha Savannah. So does anybody know what that means?
KFC.
Fried chicken. Yeah. So Akanka chicken and then Alwasha to be fried. So Akanka Alwasha is fried chicken. Anawakia Akanka Alwasha Savannah Hogi. So I don't know if you guys have been hearing me say it, but I've been saying Anawakia. What do you think that means?
Me too.
Me too, yeah. She said, no see Savannah, and I said, I know walk, yeah, no see Savannah. Me too, I want to sleep. And then she said, Scully Savannah, I know walk, yeah, Scully Savannah. Then she said, Kanka Alwasha Savannah. I said, I know walk, yeah, Kanka Alwasha Savannah.
Remember Solomon? He says KFC means Conca for truck driver.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess so, huh?
KFC, Conca for truck driver.
So one of our speakers says, this actually stands for Conca for Choctaws. Alright, so does anybody have any questions? Kyo, on me. So let's go over a few before we decide to close. How do you say I want to speak? No police Savannah. So go ahead and say it. No police Savannah. What about I want to see? It's Savannah. Okay. I want to listen. Aklo Savannah. How about I want to eat? Okay. How about I want to eat it? Alpha Savannah. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Okay. What about I want to sleep? No see Savannah. All right. Yeah, yeah. So how would you just say I want Diet Coke? Okay. All right. So how would you ask me? Do you want Dr. Pepper? Yeah, Dr. Pepper, Chimanna. Dr. Pepper, Chimanna. Dr. Pepper, Savannah Malia. Homie. Yakoki. Hope you guys had a wonderful class. Hey. I will see you guys next week. Hachipin Salachigi.